Decoding auto jargon. What is an oil filter? Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning behind the term oil filter. This is a phrase you might encounter if you're into automobiles, working in a garage, or just curious about how cars work. So, let's dive in and demystify this piece of auto jargon together. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: oil and filter. The word oil refers to a slippery liquid that is used to lubricate and cool the moving parts inside an engine. The word filter is a noun that describes an object which removes impurities from a substance by trapping them. Now, when we combine these two words, we get the term oil filter, which is a crucial component in a vehicle's engine. Its job is to clean the oil as it circulates through the engine, capturing dirt, debris, and other small particles that could damage the engine. An oil filter might seem like a small and insignificant part, but it plays a vital role in protecting the engine. Without a filter, contaminants can cause wear and tear, leading to decreased performance and potentially engine failure. It's a bit like having a good antivirus on your computer. It keeps the system running smoothly by catching problems before they cause damage. Now that you know what an oil filter does, it's important to understand when it should be replaced. Typically, an oil filter is changed during an oil change service, which is regular maintenance for any vehicle. This is because, over time, the filter can become clogged with the debris it has collected and no longer perform efficiently. And that's a wrap on oil filters. We hope this video has shed some light on what an oil filter is and why it's such an important part of a vehicle's engine. Remember, taking care of the oil filter means taking care of your engine's health. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel more confident in your understanding of this automotive term. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.